At Campbell Mechanical Services, we keep commercial buildings and systems running efficiently. Watch this video for information on optimizing your HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical systems.
So we keep hearing about reducing the carbon footprint these days. But how does that relate to HVAC systems? I mean, how much of a difference can heating and cooling make?
Oh, a huge difference. HVAC systems can account for almost 40% of a building's total energy usage. So if you're running a school, hospital, or manufacturing facility, your HVAC could be a big part of your carbon footprint. But the good news is, with a few smart changes, you can lower both energy bills and your emissions.
Wait, 40%? That's crazy. So what are the first steps we should be taking?
So first off, you want to consider upgrading old equipment. If you're running an HVAC system that's more than 10 to 15 years old, it's probably guzzling energy. Newer models are much more efficient. They use less energy to do the same job.
Makes sense. So just swapping out for a newer model can make a big difference?
Exactly. But you can also look at replacing your existing system with a completely different system, such as a geothermal heat pump, a variable refrigerant flow system, energy recovery ventilation system, and even a heat recovery ventilation system. Or, if you're content with the system you have, even looking into updating the HVAC control system can drastically reduce your carbon footprint and improve energy efficiency.
Okay, but let's say we've already have a decent system in place. What can we do without spending a ton on new equipment?
That's a great question. So optimizing your thermostat settings can make a huge difference. You don't need to keep your building at 68 degrees year-round. Programmable thermostats can adjust the temperature based on when people are actually in the building. So you're not just wasting energy when nobody's around.
So no more heating and cooling when the office is empty or on weekends?
Exactly. Small tweaks like that can really add up.
So what about maintenance? I feel like people often overlook that part.
Totally. Regular maintenance is key. When your HVAC system isn't maintained, it has to work harder to do the same job, which uses more energy and of course increases emissions. Think of it like getting your car serviced. Regular checkups keep it running smoothly and efficiently.
So regular tune-ups keep things efficient and extend the system's life?
Exactly. It's one of the simplest things you can do to reduce your carbon footprint and save on energy costs.
Alright, so sounds like there's a lot more we can do, but it seems a little more overwhelming for a business to figure out this on their own. How does Campbell Mechanical Services help with that?
So that's where we come in. We do more than just install systems. We work with businesses to assess their needs, recommend the best solutions, and keep everything running smoothly with regular maintenance. Whether you're in healthcare, education, or manufacturing, we can help reduce your carbon footprint without sacrificing comfort.
Well, I'm convinced. If you want to cut down your carbon footprint and save on energy costs, it's time to talk to Campbell Mechanical Services. Let them guide you to a more efficient, eco-friendly HVAC system.
We're ready to help. Give us a call and we'll get started on reducing your carbon footprint one HVAC system at a time. Thank you for joining us and we'll see you on the next Coffee with Campbell.
Whether it's a quick question or a challenge you need help solving, give your Campbell rep a call today.